Ito na guys, final round na. 1-on-1 na si Maclong tsaka si Stefan. Final round of the dunk contest. Joke time.
Through the net, which is tough, and back up with a finish.
Oh, sayang. Mukhang dehado ka na, boy. Hype, hype. Oh, hindi na shoot. I-shoot ata. Oh, sayang pa rin. Almost. Almost. Yan! Almost lang. Okay, final attempt. Gagi, shoot mo na yan, boy. Oh, yun, nakuha rin sa wakas. Mukhang maganda yung creativity nun ah. At tayo mukhang matatalo si Maclong. Oh, ganda ng creativity oh. Okay, scoring 50 yan, 50. 50 yan guys. Ay, 49.5. 0.7. 0.6. Sorry guys, wala kaming calcio dito. Mind calculation. Oh. Creativity high. Oh, panibagong scoring nga oh. So baliwala yung 100 ni Maclong. So pag di siya creative, pag yan lagpasan niya, 50 yan. Parang baliktad eh, no? Dapat kotse yung pang final niya. 50 yung kotse. May hagdan, may hoverboard, may dalawang tao. Oh, it's over. First attempt lang. It's over. It's over. It's over. Kanina kasi, although maganda yung creativity, 3 attempt siya. Ito first attempt lang. Yun nga nananalo sa dunk contest eh, yung maliit. Kasi syempre, di ba, hirap mag-dunk yung maliit. Mas ma-appreciate sila sa ere. Dalawa yung dinunk niya oh. First attempt. Kaliwa kanan yung dunk niya oh, kaliwa kanan. 50 yan, 50. It's over, 3 feet na. Oh. Hindi binago, pero tingnan mo 50 oh. 50. 3 feet. Okay, may pangalawang dunk pa sa final round. Oh. Ito na. Pangalawang dunk ni Stefan.
Alright, here we go. Number 2 was Stephon Castle.
Pangalawang dunk ni Stefan Castle.
Well, this is our zone.
49 sa first. 50 mo yun, boy. Oh! 50. 50 yun. Dinaan sa likod. Nako, mukhang mahigpit yung laban ah.
Pangalawang step, done sa box. Pero,
Dinaan sa likod, oh. Oh. Over the back. Kinaliwa. Kinaliwa, oh. 360. 360 dunk. Over the back. Kinaliwa. Okay guys, scoring na tayo. 50. 50. 50. Oh, 50 nga. 50. Pero pag naka 50 si Maklong sa pangalawa niya, matik, panalo. Yan o, yung scoreboard nila.
kailangan niya maka-50.
Kailangan maka 50 ni Maklong.
Ang taso mo kanina, 3 attempts sa
Mahirap kasi yung creativity nun. Go, Maklong.
tangkat ng tatalunan niya.
Si Ivan Mobley yan, yung sumama sa ano, skills challenge, yung unang challenge. Yung nanalo. Oo, si Wembanyama na lang sa nakinuha niya, ang tangkad-tangkad nun.
Now, what if he goes out and gets another block? No, what if he just...
Grabe sa kakatao.
Once he goes, he doesn't need it. That's the point. This is what he should. He's in control. He should put Wembanyama on top of. To come on, take that long. You think it's space to it? Don't try. Everybody gets.
Ang liit lang niya eh, no? Kasing average lang siya sa mga tao.
Kung abiri, masutakal pa rin mga nanonood.
Oh! First attempt na naman! Pero yung creativity kasi parang paulit-ulit lang siya eh.
When you see it in slow motion, folks, you're gonna like it.
Pero sobrang taas ang tinanon niya.
See that?
Oo. Mataas talaga yung talon yan. Yan o.
Kung umikot pa sila, baka 100.
Ah, tinose niya sa ring. Tinose niya sa ring. Cheers niyo. Cheers. Good night. Oh, cheers. Bago din ang bang 50. It's over. 50. It's over. It's over.
And that's why he wanted us to look at the score. And the best replay situation. You won't get it originally until you see it on replay. And he made every dunk. Yes. First attempt on every dunk.
50. 50. 50.
There should be no 49 in there. That's why I wish he was 25 years old right now in the league. Ooh, that would be one.
Oh, panalo. 3-peat. 3-peat. First time 3-peat in NBA history. Sa dunk contest. Yay! 0.4 lang yung lamang nila guys. Ganon kahigpit yung final round ng dunk contest na to. Magaling din si Stefan Castle. So yun lang. Babuy!